Welcome to AutoCoach. I'm Rob and thanks for taking the time to visit the website. One thing I've learned over the years is that most people don't struggle with driving because they lack ability. More often it's because learning to drive can feel overwhelming at times. Busy roads, roundabouts, test nerves, the pressure of feeling like you need to get everything right. That's why my lessons are designed to break things down into manageable steps and help you build confidence along the way. No pressure, no rushing before you're ready, just a clear plan, steady progress and support when you need it. Most people are far more capable than they think they are. If you're looking for a calm, supportive approach to learning to drive, that's exactly what AutoCoach was built around. I'd love to help you achieve your driving goals and I look forward to hearing from you.